Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV. Today we're taking a look at a true powerhouse of a vacuum, the DEWALT 10-gallon shop vacuum wet and dry. This isn't your average household vacuum. It's built for tough jobs in garages, workshops, and outdoor spaces. Whether you're dealing with wet messes, dry debris, or anything in between, this vacuum has been designed to tackle a range of cleanup tasks with ease. But does it really live up to its promises? Let's find out. The DEWALT DXV10PZ is a heavy-duty wet and dry vacuum cleaner equipped with a 5.5 peak horsepower motor that delivers impressive suction power. With a two-stage motor setup, it's engineered for those looking to clean everything from sawdust to spilled liquids. It has a 10-gallon capacity, providing plenty of room to store dirt and debris before needing to be emptied. For those with larger messes to clean up, this is a vacuum that can handle it all without breaking a sweat. Now, let's talk about convenience. This vacuum's compact design includes a built-in accessory storage basket on the backside, ensuring that all of your attachments stay organized and within reach. The hose wraps around the bucket using a built-in strap, and there's a handle for storing the power cord, keeping everything tidy and manageable. The 20-foot power cord gives you impressive reach for bigger jobs, while the flexible hose extends up to 10.3 feet, giving you the ability to clean large areas without constantly repositioning the vacuum. Performance is one of the standout features of the DEWALT DXV10PZ. It's equipped with a washable cartridge filter and a large tank drain, making it incredibly easy to clean up both wet and dry messes. If you're working in a dusty workshop or cleaning up after a messy DIY project, this vacuum's suction power doesn't disappoint. It picks up everything from fine dust to larger debris like sawdust and dirt. Plus, the blower port provides extra versatility by allowing you to blow leaves, debris, and sawdust from your yard or workshop. In terms of usability, the DEWALT vacuum is built with convenience in mind. The 360-degree rotating rubber wheels make it super easy to move around, especially when navigating around tight corners or larger work areas. The vacuum's rugged handle is designed for portability, so you can bring it from the garage to the yard with minimal effort. And when it's time to empty the tank, the large built-in drain makes removing liquids quick and easy. During our testing, the vacuum proved its mettle in a variety of situations. On hard floors, it easily picked up everything from dirt to fine dust. On carpets, it was just as effective, especially when tackling pet hair and embedded dirt. The suction stayed strong even when dealing with larger messes. We also took the vacuum for a spin on stairs and upholstery, and the included attachments like the crevice nozzle and round brush made quick work of those more challenging areas. The vacuum didn't struggle with long hair either, and the brush roll didn't get tangled, a major plus for pet owners. Of course, no vacuum is without its drawbacks. The DEWALT is on the heavier side, and if you're looking for something super lightweight, it might not be the best option. The noise level, while not overwhelming, could be a little loud during high-powered use, which is worth considering if you're sensitive to sound. But for those who need raw power, these minor inconveniences are often easy to overlook. Looking at the value for money, the DEWALT 10-gallon shop vacuum certainly offers solid performance for the price. It's built to last and handles both wet and dry messes effectively, a feature many household vacuums just can't match. Its large capacity, powerful motor, and useful attachments make it a great option for those with large areas to clean or for tackling more industrial cleaning tasks. While it might not be the best choice for those seeking a lightweight, ultra-quiet model, it's certainly a solid investment for anyone looking for a heavy-duty vacuum cleaner. In comparison, models like the rigid 12-gallon wet-dry vacuum or the Craftsman 9-gallon shop vacuum come close in terms of performance, but lack the DEWALT's sturdy design and extra versatility, like the blower port and the large drain for liquids. If you need something that can handle both wet and dry messes with ease and come with plenty of accessories, the DEWALT DXV10PZ holds its own in this category. When it comes to build quality, this vacuum is designed for long-term use. The materials feel solid and durable, and it's clear that DEWALT's commitment to tough, rugged tools extends to their vacuums. The hose, wheels, and attachments all feel premium, which bodes well for long-term reliability. The maintenance is straightforward. Cleaning the filter, clearing the hose, and emptying the tank are all quick and simple tasks. In terms of customer support, DEWALT has a reputation for strong after-sales service, so if you run into any issues, you can expect prompt assistance. Additionally, the vacuum comes with a 3-year limited warranty, providing peace of mind for long-term use. If you're in the market for a wet and dry vacuum with enough power to tackle a variety of messes, the DEWALT DXV10PZ should be at the top of your list. It's perfect for anyone who needs a reliable, versatile vacuum for tough cleaning jobs in the garage, workshop, or around the house. Its powerful motor, practical design, and range of attachments make it a solid choice for those willing to trade a bit of weight for exceptional performance. Thanks for watching today's review. If you have any questions or thoughts about the DEWALT 10-gallon shop vacuum, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, thanks for tuning in to Reviews Inside TV. We'll see you next time. And until then, keep your workspace clean and your tools running smoothly.